Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to reply on threads. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to reply on threads. Maybe you saw a post and you want to write a comment like you want to educate the other person, or maybe the other person had asked about something, so you want to share your answer, or maybe you want to share your experience regarding that post, or you maybe want to do it for any other reason. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. The first thing, you have to make sure that you have already installed a threads app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Threads app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is your home section where you see multiple threads. Other than that, we have this option. If you tap on it, you will get to the explore section where you could find different stuff. And with the help of this option, you can create threads, and with the help of that option, you can check your notification. And this is the icon for the home. Now, if you want to reply to a thread, first you have to find that thread. On threads, you can reply to any post of your choice, whatever you like, or maybe in the post, if someone has asked about something, or maybe if this person has said like share your experience regarding it, or your views or your opinion, so you want to reply with, you can do that. So here we have this post which says question, which intro do you never skip? So it is a question asked by Netflix. So we will try to reply to this question. So for that, first you have to click onto this post, or you could say thread. Once it get open, first you will see its replies. And now if you want to reply it, you have to click on this second option, which is the icon similar to question, or you could say comment. So for that, you have to click onto this option. Now here you have to write whatever you want to write. So the question is that which intro you never skip for movies. So here you have to reply according to what the question has been asked. Likewise, whatever question you get, you have to answer according to it. So here I have replied with my answer, and now I'm going to paste it, but before I have to click on post, and after that that reply will be posted. So here I'm clicking on post. As you can see here, this is the reply that I sent, and now it is pasted here under this post. So the question was, which intro do you never skip? So I replied Big Bang Theory. Likewise, if you ever get a question like that, you can also reply to it. There's a vast world of threads available, so you can reply to any one of these according to what you like. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can reply to threads on threads. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.